confess something. This. I've been holding too many squishies, and I mean, it's not a lot like how other people are like shuffle them. But yeah, whatever. We're ranking them 1 to 10. So let's start with the nice cube. This isn't a real one, but it's fine. I'll rank this one. It's not too hard. It's not too squishy. 8 out of 10. Okay, let's do the Oreo. Very squishy, as you can see. This one would get like 7 out of 10. It's when you get it to like flat, like sticky. This thing. The sound is good. Very fidgety. Comes apart like that. I would give it maybe like it's hard to get back together, but like I can't get, but 7 out of 10. Not 7. Here, I'll just rank all these in one thing. You know, I'm gonna say those for last. This, I have multiple things, multiple of them in here. Where's the blue one? It was so easy for me to find. Now I can't find it. You know, I guess I'm gonna have to save that for later too. These cupcakes. I don't know why I got them, but these are really squishy. And they're foam and they go back together easily. 9 out of 10. Yes, 9. Now the yellow nice cube. 8 out of 10 like the other one. The duckies. I know these aren't really fidgets, but I mean, it's alright. Vampire's my least favorite. I can't even really do these. 5 out of 10. They get really moldy easily. This stretchy thing, it reminds me of Mommy Longlegs. 6 out of 10. We 3D printed this like a little clicker thing. 8 out of 10. This thing I got like in 2022. Like happy emoji, pop it. 10 out of 10 since it's a combined thing. We bought this thing and 3D print this. It's like the cone things that fall. 9 out of 10. 9 out of 10. The teardrop splash. I should also do the teardrop with it. I mean, it's not really fidget, but if it is, 4 out of 10, but it's not really fidget. This part, squishy. Feels like a real one. 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10. A pop it. Oh my god, you see these everywhere. And it's a little keychain. 6 out of 10. I wish it was bigger. That's what I meant. This thing I got like 2023, late 2023. 7 out of 10. It's pretty good. The Oreo. Oh, I did the Oreo. 7 out of 10. The pink one. Yes, the pink Nito. 8 out of 10 like the other ones. Oh, I forgot one duckling. 7 out of 10, I think I ranked them. These things. What did I rank the other one? Wait, where is the other one? Okay, that's creepy. But they're weird, they're fidget. I would say 5 out of 10. Yeah. I have 2 of these because one was for my brother. Her spiky bouncy. 8 out of 10. This thing, it was supposed to come with throw up, like those little things where it like sucks it up. 7 out of 10. It's okay. This thing is broken, like the beads got stuck. It feels normal. I would give it 9 out of 10, but since it's broken, I would have to give it a 5 out of 10. This alien that we 3D printed that like bounces. You see these on YouTube Shorts. Last but not least, these things you see everywhere, but you don't know their name. Since they're so tiny, that takes off a point, but they're so squishy that like 6. Okay, so you're not eating them this time. Okay, now to rank them off their softness. Okay, so first place we have to give to Mr. Not Nice Cube. Here, I'll just lay them off and I'll show you how squishy, like that. Okay, second place has to go to these things. Look how squishy they are. And then I would have to give to the Oreo in third place. Yeah, no. This. Okay, then, I forgot, this one's the craziest, I'm gonna tell you that. This one's in last place for sure. You know what? No, that's not last place. But this is in 4th place. I'm debating between, well, this is in 5th place. You okay, mister? You puking? Yeah, but then the nice, like, look. Ow, that hurt. And then now the rubber duck, but yeah, literally. These are all my fidgets. I just cleaned them. So, yeah, I'm sorry I haven't posted in a long time. We've just been so busy. Hey, but at least school's almost over. So, yeah. Goodbye, people. Have a great day.
Give him a like for his 10th birthday tomorrow.
Or subscribe. That would be the best.
Like and subscribe.